Hello friends, welcome to Flash tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create moving box with timer effect. Open ActionScript 2.0. We know how to create rectangle. First select a rectangle tool. You can change color here. Okay. And create like this. Now select selection tool. Select this rectangle. Press F8 and choose movie clip. Give the name of movie clip MC. Okay, and give name also here at instance name MC. Okay, now click outside the rectangle and press F9 or go to window and select actions for ActionScript. Now let's write function first. Function, name of function fk or anything you can write. Okay, and our box name is MC dot underscore and its x path, x position is equal to plus is equal to 30. Let's take it here. This is shorthand operator. It means MC dot underscore x plus 30. Okay, and if you don't want to write it in long format, then you can simply write like this, plus is equal to 30. Okay, that's it. Now let's create another thing. MC dot on release is equal to function. Okay, whenever we will click on this MC, our box, at that time this function will be execute. My time is variable is equal to set interval. Set interval and see the syntax for set interval. Set interval, then function name, then interval. Here in interval you can write the seconds in milliseconds format. Okay, fk, which is name of function, comma, and I would like to take 500 milliseconds. Done. And we also need to write here, declare the MC dot underscore x, means x position of our box, which is on 50. Okay, and how to stop this box? If MC dot underscore x is greater than 400, okay, at that time clear interval, and name of interval, see the syntax for clear interval, and then interval ID means name of interval, which is my time here. Okay, so whenever we will click on this box, at that time this function will be execute and they will set the x position of this box at 50, and then this function fk function will be execute every after 500 milliseconds. Okay, means 0.5 seconds, and each time its x position is increased by 30 value, and whenever it is on 400 value, at that time this moving box will be stopped. Okay, let's test the movie. Press Ctrl Enter for testing. Actually I did a mistake here. We can write like this only, mc.onRelease is equal to this function. Okay, now let's check the movie. Click on it. Yeah, it's moving with interval. Okay,